Alright, ayan, again, good evening and welcome po sa ating Building Your Future orientation. So of course, ayan, I hope everyone is ready na and talagang ready makinig and ready matuto for tonight or for today. Yeah, syempre, no? So but before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Luis Anthony Antonio. I'm one of your financial educators po dito po sa IMG. We've been doing this for 6 years now. And yan, since 2018, yan. So since 2018, we've been doing this financial coaching and yan, being a financial educator. And because of IMG, because of International Marketing Group, tayo po ay naging investor and entrepreneur as well. So we're hoping everyone is, syempre, di ba, ready na makipakinig and matuto dito sa ating gagawin for tonight. So ano nga ba magiging topic natin? Ayan. So of course, in our slide, that is building your future, di ba? So we're going to talk about our life story, di ba? O pag-usapan natin kung ano nga ba talaga yung pwede natin gawin when it comes to our finances, because of course, the reason why we are here at ma-attend dito sa mga ganitong seminar is because we really want to change our lives, di ba? So for at least 1 hour, di ba? So pakatutukan natin, makinig tayo maigi, and if ever we have some questions, syempre i-entertain natin yan after the seminar. Alright, so enough of myself, enough of introduction. Let's talk about the company, syempre, no? Alright. Okay. Okay, ayan. So who we are, International Marketing Group, was established in 2002, and it's one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services companies in the Philippines today. So it offers wide array of financial products and services that help us members, diba? To create better tomorrow. Diba? Kasi ang pangunahin talagang layunin ni IMG is magkaroon tayo ng talagang security when it comes to our finances. Diba? Magkaroon tayo ng mas maiging financial concepts na ma-apply talaga natin sa ating financial life, right? So it has operations in more than 70 cities in the Philippines and more than 60 countries worldwide. So kung saan ka mang panig ng mundo, alright, so sagot ka namin dyan because right now we are having this online, diba? So kaya talaga we are doing this para at least ma-reach out natin kayo lahat, alright? So for 60 countries yan worldwide. So, corporate office natin, 6th floor, Omnis Prosperity Tower, Senator Hill Puyat Avenue, Makati City. So, ito pong mismong Omnis Prosperity Tower na to, owned by IMG na. It is owned by IMG na. Yan. So, syempre, di ba? Kumbaga, kung gusto mo mapuntahan ng opisina, yan po mismo opisina na yan ng IMG. Okay? So ano nga bang mission ni IMG? To help create wealth for families, people need to know how to make more money, di ba? And how to make money work for them. That's the reason why we are here, di ba? Kasi gusto mo matuto eh. We really want to learn ano ba talaga yung maituturo ni IMG sa atin, di ba? Yung matuturo ni IMG is financial concepts to make us more money and how to make money work for them. Okay? So we're going to talk about those concepts. And the vision of IMG is to lead the financial revolution. So we want to make financial education and solutions be available to everyone. So the keyword in this statement is everyone. Ibig sabihin, kahit ano pang estado ng buhay mo, okay? Kahit ano man trabaho mo right now, di ba? Basta i-apply natin yung financial education na tinuturo ni IMG, we can actually change our lives, di ba? It's actually for everyone, right? So it's not only for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Okay, that is the reason why we launched, IMG launched the 30M by 30 Financial Literacy Campaign. So what is the aim of this campaign? Maturuan at matulungan ang 30 million families to become financially literate. Okay, so as of now, we're already we're almost half na po. Okay, we're almost half na ng ating campaign. That's already 15 million na. And almost 15 million. And syempre, ano nga bang dyan ay maturuan, di ba? Yung 30 million. Isipin na lang natin, 30 million matuturuang mag-ipon, matuturuang mag-invest ng tama. So what do you think will happen sa economy ng Philippines, di ba? So syempre aayos din, right? So yun ang pinaka-goal talaga ng Pilipinas, ng IMG for the Filipino. Okay? Right? So congratulations sa ating lahat. We're already part of this campaign. Okay? So ano nga ba pag-uusapan natin for tonight? So that these are the two concepts that help us achieve financial success. Okay? So even me, myself, I am also kumbaga ina-apply din itong mga konsepto na to, and I've been doing I've been applying this, and marami din sa atin na-apply na to, di ba, for the past 5 years, 6 years, di ba? So we're still in the process, but talaga ito ang sinusunod natin sa IMG. Alright? So ano nga ba itong mga konsepto na to? Yan, the X-curve concept and building a solid financial foundation. So these lessons that we cannot afford to learn too late. Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba hindi natin po pwedeng ipagpaliban ito? Kasi honestly, time is running. Time is running. Kung i-apply natin siya 20 years after, diba? 30 years after, kumbaga, after natin siya matutunan ngayon, and then isipin lang natin, then after 10 years, after 20 years, saka pa lang natin siya apply, maybe it might be late, diba? Sayang naman. So, as far as I'm concerned, or lahat tayo, mas maganda may apply natin to right away. Okay? Ayan. I hope everyone is ready. So, kapag ready ka na, type 1. Kapag hindi, hindi ko alam. Ready na ba ang lahat? Ready ba matuto? Because we're going to start now. Okay, type 1 kung ready na. Okay, sa ating sa ating mga attendees. All right, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you. We are all ready na. Very good. Okay. So of course, we all want to achieve financial freedom. Lahat tayo gusto talaga ng financial freedom. That is the reason why we are working. That is the reason why we wake up every day, because we also want to achieve this. We really want to achieve this. But why many people, bakit madami pa rin sa atin ang hindi nagsasucceed financially? Okay? In a matter of finances, ha? So, why many people cannot succeed? Madalas sinasabi, mabait naman siyang tao, religyoso naman siyang tao, pero bakit di pa rin nagsasucceed financially? Matalino naman siya, di ba? Honor student naman siya, pero bakit di nagsasucceed financially? Ganda naman ang trabaho niya. Okay? So, alam ko malaki sahod dun eh. But however, why many people still cannot succeed? What seems to be the problem? Okay? So, syempre, unang-una, kailangan muna natin malaman, we have to establish first what is financial freedom to us. Kailangan alamin muna natin, ano nga ba talagang financial freedom sa atin? Okay? So, i-define natin yan. So, when we say financial freedom, syempre dapat wala ka nang iniisip na mga bayarin yan. No responsibility, money is already working for you, and living on interest. Pag sinabi nating living interest, kumbaga, hindi mo na iniisip. Di ba? Kahit matulog ka pa ng isang linggo, okay lang, you will still have money. Right? So yun, no? Ibig sabihin, you have passive income, which means permanent income dapat yan. Right? Lifetime retirement, dapat meron ka ng healthcare fund, at yan nga sinasabi natin, dapat wala ka ng utang. At kung may pamilya man, dapat kids are already working. Okay? So isipin na lang natin, you have that 6 million right now, naka-invest yun sa different investment vehicles, and then kumikita yan ng 10% interest rate. What do you think will happen? So every year, kikita ka ng 600,000. So isipin mo, buhay ka na 600,000 without working. You will have that money. Right? So maganda, right? Yun yung gusto natin. However, madami pa din talaga sa atin nasa financial limitation, which means we still have big responsibility, we still work hard, ba? Ang mga needs natin, permanent pa din talaga yan. Syempre, alam natin, ang trabaho is temporary solution yan eh. Temporary solution sa mga permanent needs natin. Kailangan natin pumunta sa permanent income, di ba? So, lahat ito, kailangan may provide yan. Even yung mga utang, kailangan dyan mo pa rin kukunin dun sa trabaho mo, right? Permanent pa ang trabaho? Syempre, hindi. Right? So, paano nga ba tayo makakapunta dun sa financial freedom na yan? Right? From financial limitation, how can we go to that financial freedom? That is why we teach X-curve concept. Here in IMG, ito ang ating itinuturo. Yung X-curve concept, yung life story natin. So, it involves 2 lines that will guide us towards financial freedom. Okay? So, makikita natin, dito, so sa X-curve concept, there are 2 lines na papaliwanag sa buhay natin. So, the line going up, that is our wealth line or our savings line. And the Okay, the line going down, it's our responsibility line. Okay? So, mapapababa mo lang yung mga responsibility mo. The only way para mapababa mo yung mga responsibility mo, nakikita mo yan, mga bayarin na yan, okay, is kailangan mapataas mo ang wealth line. That's the only solution we can have. Okay? Mapababa mo responsibility line mo, mapapataas mo naman, dapat mas mapataas mo ang iyong wealth line. But take note, alamin dapat natin kung magkano dapat ang responsibility. How can we compute our responsibility? So of course, alamin natin. So your minimum responsibility, dapat yung yearly income mo, multiply it to 20. Okay, for example, we have this 300,000 yearly. Okay, example lang yan ha. Times 20, so that's 6 million pesos. So total yan ng kailangan mong money for you to become financially free. So alamin natin, syempre, pag ilalapat natin yan sa ating X-curve concept, 6 million responsibility, so ibig sabihin, 0 ang ating wealth line. So every peso na sinesave natin, okay, is a reduction sa ating responsibility. Eh paano kung madagdagan na yan ng piso? So 6 million minus 1 peso is 5,999,999. Okay? So ibig sabihin, pag yan tumaas na yan, from 2 million na savings line, ibig sabihin mababawasan na ang iyong responsibility. That's gonna be 4 million. Eh, paano kung mas mataas na yung wealth line? Okay? So, that's 4 million. So, syempre, mababawasan yan. Minus 2, ayan, of course, that's 2 million responsibility. And, of course, yung goal natin na 6 million, of course, we want to be financially free, that's 6 million, 0 na dapat ang ating responsibility. So there are 4 stages in our lives. Yan, yung stage 1, we still don't have savings, mataas pa din ang ating responsibility. Stage 2, nababawasan na ating responsibility, may konti na tayong savings. Stage 3, yan, mas mataas na ating savings, mas mababa na ang ating responsibility, and ating goal na stage 4, that's 6 million, and then 0 na ang ating responsibility. All of us, I'm very sure, we all want to hit that stage 4. But when do we want to hit that stage 4? Young age ba or old age? Kailan? Kailan dapat natin ma-hit yan? Diba? So, kailangan ma-hit na natin yan as soon as possible. Kailangan mas mapabilis natin yan. Why? Because there are so many what-ifs in our lives. Tama? Marami mga tanong sa ating, sa ating isipan. And what are those questions? What if we live too long? Paano kung mamuhay tayo ng matagal? Okay, maubos sa ating retirement money, what will happen? Diba? Mahirap. So, malaking problema yan. So, dito sa IMG, tinuturo natin on how to have investment and long-term care. Okay? That's what we do. Kailangan matutunan natin about mutual fund, about stock market, and others. And long-term care para naman hindi natin iaasa ang ating health care sa ating pamilya. Right? Second, what if we die too soon? Who will take care of your family? Diba? Isipin mo na lang, isa kang malaking ATM. Right? Isa kang malaking ATM. So, ano mangyayari sa pamilya mo pag mawala sila ng ATM? Right? So, what will be the answer? That's life insurance. Right? So, kailangan, no? While you are still building wealth, and then you get out of the picture, wala ka na doon sa eksena, so, anong pwede mangyari sa pamilya? Life insurance. And then while you are building your wealth, papunta ka pa lang doon sa building wealth, what if you get disabled? Diba? So, yun ang pinakamahirap. What if you get disabled? Who will take care of you again? So, that's healthcare, choosing the right healthcare, and caregiver. Kailangan meron din tayong caregiver dyan. Okay? So, we have to know the right healthcare for us. So, this is what we talk about X-curve concept. Diba? So, kailangan pala matutunan natin to for us to see, hindi pala habang buhay magbabayad ako ng responsibility. Hindi pala habang buhay maging dapat mahirap ako. Right? So, kailangan, we have a goal na kailangan we want to be going to financial freedom. From right now, financial limitation, we have to go to financial freedom. Okay ba yun? Alright, so I hope we all understand that. Alright, so the faster you increase your wealth line, the faster you reduce your responsibility line, mas mapapabilis mo ang financial freedom. Okay? Kailangan natin mapabilis ang ating wealth line. Mabawasan agad natin responsibility para mas mabilis natin ma-hit ang financial freedom. So we have to master how to increase our money line fast. Okay? So, syempre, alamin natin ano nga bang nilalaman ng law of building wealth and law of decreasing responsibility na yan. What are the steps we can do? Okay? So, how to increase your money line fast? Yan, by doing these steps, making more money. Yan, iisa-isahin natin yan. Saving more money and growing more money. Okay? So, these are the things we need to do. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin yan later. And of course, for number 2, that's law of decreasing responsibility, how to take care of our responsibilities while building wealth. Of course, we have to protect our family, protecting our health, and protecting our wealth. Okay, so ngayon, pupunta muna tayo sa law of building wealth, how to increase our money line fast. Okay, tingnan natin. Let's have number 1, making more money. How can we do that? Right now, we're already making money. I am very sure. Lahat tayo, we're already making money. But how can we make more money? Aside from what we have right now. Diba? So we have to earn additional income. Kailangan pala merong ganun. Kung alam mong hindi sapat ang kinikita mo ngayon, what do you do? What do we have to do? You have to use your spare time. Kailangan gamitin natin yung spare time natin. Yung libreng oras natin. Okay? So, kailangan pala ganun, no? So, make a lot of money as fast as we can while we can. Eh, paano kung naisipan pa lang natin kumita na mas madami at the age of 70, 75? Naku naman, mahirap yata yun, no? Siyempre, hindi na kaya ng katawang lupa natin. So, what do we do in our spare time? Diba? That's a big question. What do we do in our spare time? Are we really busy making money or are we busy spending money? Diba? Base na yan sa ating ginagawa. Okay, base na yan sa ating ginagawa. Kung tama ba talaga ang ating ginagawa or not. Right? Of course, it's okay. Sometimes we indulge that but not too much. Right? So, kailangan gamitin natin sa tamang ating spare time. We are given 24 hours. Di ba? Yan ang laging sinasabi. No? We are given 24 hours. Sabihin na natin, 8 hours kang matulog, 8 hours kang magtrabaho, 2 hours kang magbiyahe. Okay? Mag-prepare yung sarili, 1 hour, 2 hours. Maybe you still have 3 or 2 hours para gawin ang kumbaga, ang libreng oras para at least to make more money for you para at least masagot mo talaga, di ba? Para mapunan mo talaga yung mga kailangan. Okay? So poverty is not lack of time, it can be mismanaged time. Yan. So talagang it's a very big statement, no? So you can do IMG business part-time, which me, I am also doing IMG right now as part-time. Okay? So madami sa atin, ginagawa pa rin ang IMG as part-time. So you can also do that. All right? Okay, let's have number 2. Of course, when we make more money, syempre, when we make more money, hindi naman po pwedeng gagastusin mo yan lahat. You have to save that money, right? And of course, we also need to reduce our expenses. Reducing our expenses, we have to live simple lifestyle. Bakit? Because this is the surest way to increase our savings. Kasi marami pa rin sinasabi ng iba, okay? Ng iilan, hindi na talaga kaya. I'm so busy na talaga. Hindi na kaya, no? Eh baka doon pala sa sinasahod mo, baka doon pa lang, makita na natin, makakaipon pala itong taong to. Right? Pwede pala. Okay? So, paano nga ba kung makapag-save more money tayo, no? So, many people want to be somebody to live the life of the rich and famous. Totoo nga naman. So, the problem is, they cannot wait, di makapaghintay, hindi ma-apply sa sarili nila ang delaying gratification. When we say delaying, kumbaga, yung mga gusto mo sa buhay, i-delay mo muna sana, pero dahil nga nakikita mo, you want it instant. Di ba? Gusto mo na agad maranasan. We want to experience it. Di ba? Anyone can experience the life of the rich and famous fast through debt, pangungutang. Siyempre kasi nga yung mga nakikita natin sa social media, mga nakikita natin sa halimbawa sa mga kaibigan natin, sa mga taong kakilala natin, we also want to experience that. So what will happen? Gagawin din natin. Siyempre gusto natin maranasan, ay di kapit tayo o utang tayo. Ganyan tayo, right? Okay? So, or they do it every payday. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, from a mindset of an employee, talagang gagawin niya yan every payday. Right? So, every sweldo, milyonaryo, few days after sweldo, sakripisyo. Ayun. So, kumbaga ang nangyari talagang one time, big time. Okay? So, huwag kayong mag-alala. We've been there. And we can still change that. All right? So especially this one, ito talaga, I think most of us really happen. Ito talaga yung naranasan na. Kung hindi man naranasan, talaga nararanasan pa. Yung income, less expenses, which ang ititira yung savings. Diba? Even me, I experienced this 9 years ago or 10 years ago. Okay? Income, less ko muna lahat ng expenses na meron ako. Then, ang matitira doon, that will be my savings. Ang tanong, may matitira ba? Siyempre, wala. So, technically, I'm paying others first. Pinabayaran muna yung mga bills, pinapayaman mo muna yung mga companies na yon, no? So, paying others first. So, while we learn about IMG, di ba? Yun ang pinakamaganda naman doon. Income, you less your savings. Ibig sabihin, prioritize mo muna si savings and then after that, your expenses. Which means, paying yourself first, binabayaran mo muna yung sarili mo. Right? Kasi kailangan yun eh. Binabayaran mo muna yung sarili mo kasi pinaghirapan mo yung pera na yun, no? So pay yourself first before paying others. Diba? Kailangan bayaran mo muna yung sarili mo kasi pinaghirapan mo yan. It's your own money. It's your hard-earned money. Okay? So set aside 20% for your future. Treat it like a bill that you must pay and pay it first. Kailangan bayaran mo. Bayaran mo sa sarili mo, no? So cable TV and phone bills are not more important. Hindi po yan ang pinaka-importante. Anong pinaka-importante? Yung security ng pamilya. Yung financial well-being ng pamilya mo. Maiangat mo sa kahirapan ng pamilya. Right? That's what we want. Okay? So, here in IMG, this is what we suggest. Itong best savings formula. How do we do it? 10-20-70. We call it the abundance formula as well. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin nito? 10% tithing, 10% you give back to the Lord, yung blessings, di ba? Yan ang binibigay natin. And then 20% savings. Yun na yung tinatabi natin, savings. And then 70% will be expenses. Doon natin itinitira yung expenses, no? Doon mo na kinukuha yung mga panggastos, yung lifestyle, diyan na natin kinukuha sa 70%. Right? Minsan pa nga yung iba, ginagawa pa 50%. Right? Para mas malaki may bibigay sa other parts. Okay? So, if we're not doing this, or either we do this or we don't do this, dalawang bagay lang po pwede mangyari sa atin. Ano-ano itong mga to? Okay, it's either we last longer than our money or yung pera natin mas magtatagal kaysa sa atin. Magtatagal kaysa sa atin, ibig sabihin you'll be a legacy to your family. Kumbaga, magiging hero ka ng pamilya mo kasi hindi mo sila iniwanan ng utang, right? Or we last longer than our money, okay? Nagtagal na tayo sa mundo hanggang 100 years old pero wala na tayong pera. So, alin ang pipiliin mo dyan? Okay? What do you choose? What will you choose? Right? Siyempre doon na tayo sa number 2. Right? Yung kailangan maging hero ka ng pamilya mo. Okay? Yan. So, I hope you're still there. Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Okay, so kapit-kapit lang. Okay, so let's have number 3. Kung kanina making more money, saving more money, now let's have growing more money. How do we grow our money? Okay, through the use of investment. Okay, so increase wealth line faster because your biggest responsibility after savings is how to grow your savings. Okay, that's the keyword. How to grow your savings. That's what we want to have. Okay. So at what interest you can increase your wealth line the fastest? So isa rin sa mga itinuturo natin dito sa IMG ay yung rule of 72. How can we do that? How do we do it? Okay, 72 is a constant number divided by the interest rate na binibigay ng mga bangko or mga investment vehicles na pwede magbigay sa iyo ng interest, magbigay sa iyo kung paano kumita ang pera mo. Okay, basically. Okay, so 2% or even 8% or higher than that, we use the rule of 72. It's a constant number, yung rule of 72, ha? So divided by the interest rate will be the number of years for your money to double. Ilang taon pwede magdoble ang pera? Take note, ilang taon. Hindi siya ilang buwan, okay? So halimbawa, we have this, okay? Meron tayong 100,000 ngayon, and then in-invest natin sa bangko, 2%, sabihin na lang po natin, okay? So, gagawin natin ang rule of 72. 72 divided by 2 is equal to 36. Ibig sabihin, after 36 years, yung 100,000 natin, magiging 200,000. Okay? Masaya, happy ba na meron kang 200,000 after 36 years? Siyempre, parang ang, ano, no, ang liit. Kasi 65, okay? Halimbawa, kung nagsimula tayo at the age of 29, no? Okay, paano na lang kung ininvest natin siya into higher interest rates such as 8% or 12%? Okay? So gagawin din natin yung rule of 72. So halimbawa, for 12%, 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6, which means every 6 years magdodoble ang pera. So from 100,000, after 36 years, it will be 6.4 million pesos. Tingnan na lang natin kung halimbawa doon pala sa 2% na yan. Sa tingin mo, kanino mapupunta? Usually, ganito ang nangyayari, no? Ang alam lang natin, itong 2%. But the banks or other investment vehicles, they know how to invest that money. Okay? They know where to invest that money. Kapag hindi natin alam where to invest that money, paano kumita ang pera natin, how to grow our money, we will keep ourselves working for money. Mas magtatrabaho tayo para sa pera. Pero kung alam natin how to make our money grow, then talagang you will, di ba? Money will work for you. Okay? So, yun ang mangyayari. Katulad po nito, 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6. Kung hindi natin alam itong 12%, at si Bangko lang nakakaalam ng 12%, sa tingin nyo, kanina mo pupunta yung 6.2? Okay? Sa Bangko, kasi sila lang may alam ng 12%. Ang bibigay lang sa ni Bangko is 200,000. Kung alamin natin, okay, isusubtract natin yan, there's a difference of 6.2 million pesos. 6.2, we're in, if we're going to divide it to 200,000 pesos, that's 21 years of working. Diba? Napakahaba no, hindi ka nakakain, basta makaipon ka lang na 200,000 every, diba? Every month or every year para lang meron kang pera. Right? Yan. So discover the realistic investment options that can help us get higher ROR or rate of return. When we say realistic, kailangan yung alam mo talaga sa sarili mo, makatotohanan siya. It's not too good to be true. Okay? Mapapaliwanag sa'yo, ito pala yung tamang pag-i-invest. Okay? Baka kasi may nalalaman natin, 30% per month, okay? Or dodoble ang pera ko in 1 month or in 2 months. Naku, Diyos ko po. Tumakbo ka na because it's not true. Okay? So let's, yan, yung survey card natin. Of course, kailangan malaman natin what are the next investment you can have. Okay? So the best investment is investing in yourself. Okay? So yan. So let's have number 2, yung law of decreasing responsibility natin. How to take care of our responsibilities while building wealth. Okay? Ayan. So of course, yung number 1 natin, protecting your family. Okay? Number 2 is protecting your health. And number 3 is protecting your wealth. Okay, let's have number 1. Protecting your family. Kailangan maprotektahan natin ang pamilya natin. By how? By how can we do it? Okay? Siyempre, when we protect our family, maproteksyon na natin yung interest nila by having life insurance. Okay? Life insurance, hindi siya talaga fun topic. Hindi talaga siya masarap pakinggan minsan. But, this is one of the best strategy para sa pamilya mo to have their financial plan. Sa pamilya mo mismo. Okay? Pag ikaw mismo na breadwinner ng pamilya, protektado, you have life insurance, ano man ang mangyari sa'yo, protektado sila. They can live. Okay? So buy low price or unbundled life insurance, have more money to invest and increase your money line faster. Yan. So na nga bang pwede natin solusyon dyan? No? Diba? Yun ang gusto natin malaman. Ano bang solusyon natin for you to have low price, affordable, okay, and unbundled? When we say unbundled, walang kahit na anong kumbaga, component. Pure term life insurance lang po yun. Okay? So what is the solution? That's Manila Bankers Life Insurance. So, it's already 60 years na po of helping Filipino families build their financial future. Low price life insurance with never go negative investment, or we call it the PDF. Okay? So diversify with mutual funds and stock market. Ito po yung nakikita natin, the most GRP, the multiple option super term 18, and the multiple option super term GRP. Okay? The GRP or the group insurance. Okay? Yan. So, say for example, we have this at the age of 30, that's 7,188 pesos. Okay? So, 30-year-old po yan, na okay na man or ayan, na tao. Alright, 7,188. Covered na siya ng 1 million life insurance. O di ba napakamura lang, right? At kasama na dyan yung riders na yan, yung accidental death benefit rider, payers death and disability benefit rider, terminal illness, and critical illness benefit rider. Okay, so 'di ba? So hindi pa kung baga binabayaran mo lang talaga, nagrerenta ka lang ng small money pero doon sa big money. Okay? Nirerentahan mo yung big money sa murang halaga. Okay? So yan, at the age of 30, ayan, yung 3 million, that's 19,254. Kung makikita natin, there are also some life insurances, okay? Ikukumpara lang natin, may nakikita tayo every month or every year, you need to pay like at least 30 to 40,000 pesos per year. But come to think of it, you only need to pay 7,188 at the same coverage. Diba? Same coverage. Okay? So mas maximize mo yung pera mo. So buying unbundled insurance gives you flexibility and freedom where to invest the difference. Mas alam mo kung saan mo pwede i-invest yung pera mo. Diba? So kumbaga may kakayahan kang pwedeng i-invest kung saan man. Alright? Ayan. So I hope we all understand this. Alright, yan. So, let's have number 2. Kung kanina, protecting your family. Now, you protect your health. How can we do that? Yan, healthcare is a lifetime need. We need long-term care more than we need short-term care. Yan. Diba? So, syempre, madalas kasi ngayon, ang alam lang natin, short-term care. What we have right now is short-term care. But if we can have long-term care, much better. How can we have that? Because we can cut costs on foods when we retire but not on healthcare. Okay? Let's expound this mas madami pa. Okay? Explain natin to. So, bakit nga ba napaka-importante magkaroon ng long-term healthcare plan? Okay? So, you cannot bring with you the healthcare benefits provided by your company pag nag-retire ka or nag-resign ka. So, totoo naman po yan talaga. Kung ano man ang binibigay ng company mo ngayon, whether you are working, OFW ka, ano man ang healthcare insurance na meron ka ngayon sa company mo, hindi mo po maiuwi yan. Okay? Hindi mo mauuwi yan. Hindi mo rin na hindi mo rin magagamit yan pag nag-resign ka na. Okay? So, wala na po yung benefit na yan. So, that's short-term healthcare. So, most healthcare companies do not accept applicants beyond age 60. So, pag nag-61, 62, pag nag-senior citizen na, hindi na po tinatanggap ng mga healthcare companies kasi doon na po lumalabas ang mga sakit, right? So next one, healthcare companies do not accept sickly applicants. Yan, pag alam ng sakitin, may mga existing na mga sakit, ayun na. So hindi na po yung kino-cover. If by chance they accept you, they cannot cover your pre-existing illnesses. For hospital admission, they will not ask if you have kung meron ka mang insurance policy ngayon, kung may mutual funds ka, ang dami mong mang investment na meron ka, hindi po nila tatanungin niya sa ospital. Ang tatanungin lang nila kung may health card ka. Okay? Alright? And most people go to St. Luke first before St. Peter. Na masyado ka ba nagmamadali? Siyempre, ayaw natin magmadali. Huwag ka munang Huwag ka muna pumunta kay St. Peter, mag-St. Luke ka, kailangan mo ng pondo sa ospital. Tama ba? Right? Kailangan meron tayong pondo para sa ospital. So for short-term care, ayan, let's have some kind of difference lang po. Okay? For short-term care, ayan, paying and renewing every year, renewal is not guaranteed. If with high claims, they increase the price or refuse renewal. Yan. I-refuse natin yung renewal. O, paano yan, no? So, no renewal at age 61. Many end up with no healthcare at old age where illnesses appear. So, ito yung sinasabi natin, kailan ba talaga lumalabas ang sakit? Pag bata ba o pag tumatanda na? Siyempre, pag senior na tayo. Okay? Doon na siya lumalabas yung mga sakit. So, mas kailangan natin ng healthcare when we grow old. No accumulation of a unused health fund, even there's no utilization. Ito yung sinasabi natin na may healthcare insurance ka ngayon at di mo gamitin, thank you na lang yon. Okay? It's good as sold. Okay? The next year, it's another plan ulit. Okay? It's another plan. That is why it's renewable. Okay? So, kumbaga babay ka na doon at saka wala nang interest pa yon. Okay? Hindi, wala nang kikitain yon. Okay? That's already sold. And number four, since we need healthcare protection during our lifetime, we need to buy long-term care. Yan. That's the reason why we have long-term care. So what is the example of long-term care? Yan, 7 years to pay, renewal is guaranteed as long as it is not lapsed. Okay? Yung unused health fund natin, halimbawa man, it earns interest which can be used as your healthcare fund or retirement fund at old age. Yan, yung sinasabi natin na yung healthcare fund mo, di mo man magamit ngayon, it's fine, you will still have interest on it. It earns interest, which is good. And then receiving long-term care benefit on the maturity date. Yeah. And then 85% return of payment on the maturity date if no claim of health benefits during the 7 years paying period, more healthcare fund at old age. Ito yung sinasabi natin na after yung 7 years or yan nga, yung saving period natin at di mo nagamit ang plan, okay, on the maturity date, ibabalik sa iyo 85%, which means nakatipid ka na 85%, di ba? So on the maturity date, ibabalik pa yung 85%. How good is that? And with four-way insurance. Merong life insurance for 20 years, ADBB, waiver premium due to death, waiver premium due to disability. Diba? Napakaganda. Which is a 3-in-1 with healthcare, insurance, and investment. Okay? So, what's your healthcare plan at age 61 and up? Same din ba ng mga nauna na sa atin, ng mga magulang or even ng ating mga grandparents? Susundin ba natin yon, yung retirement fund nila, investment, okay, children, or properties? Ito yung pinakamasakit, no? Ang dami mong properties na ipinundar, pero nagkasakit, isang sakit lang, isang malalang sakit lang, ano pwede mangyari? Ibebenta lahat ng property at a very low price para lang mapagamot, di ba? So, napakasakit. Or government relatives. Yan. Or pinakamasakit dyan, madami kang napundar and then naubos lahat, anong mangyayari? Okay? Especially kung nag-61 na, 62, you still need to work and then maglo-loan short tayo. Ayan. Sa napakataas na interest. We don't want to go there. We don't want to experience that. That is why we have the solution. Anong pwedeng solution natin dyan? That's Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. Yan. So, for the purpose of example, we have a 100 plan. So, marami tayong mga plans. Okay? Para lang sa ating example, meron tayo dito ang K100. So, ang ating mode is annual, which is 58,000 pesos. Ang contract price niyan is 411,750. So, there are three stages dito sa ating Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. Meron tayong accumulation period, extended period, and long-term care period. From the first 7 years, yan pong tinatawag natin na accumulation period. Anong pwedeng benefits ang makuha natin? Okay? So for first 7 years, meron tayong annual physical exam na libre. Physical check-up yan. And then, meron din tayong dental benefits na libre din. Okay? So, meron din yan. And then, room and board benefit, meron din tayo niyan. Okay? So, which is, napakaganda. First 7 years pa lang, meron ka ng benefit again. And then after that, after 7 years of paying, papasok na dyan yung extended period. From the 8th year until the 20th year, dyan na po pumapasok ang ating yung mga investment side na kumikita na ang ating plan basically. Okay, from the 8th year, yan. So, from meron tayong mga health benefits niyan from the 8th year and then to 20th year and then nag-accumulate pa yan. Okay? So, depende din yan sa galaw ng market sa ating because ini-invest yan through the form of dividends. Okay? So, yan. So, after nyan, makikita natin, there is a total accumulated bonus with bonus at the long-term care period. Okay? After 20 years, ayan na po yung magiging total niyan. Kung hindi natin magagamit ang plan. Okay? There's a total bonus with bonus na 1.1 million pesos after 20 years. Pero teka, baka natatanong, no? After 20 years, makukuha ko ang pera, 1.1 million pesos. Para ang tagal yata. Okay? Ang tagal yata. So, isipin na lang natin, itong 58,000 na annual payment natin, okay, if we are going to save that for the next 20 years, we can also receive 1.1 million pesos. Eh why not? We just save for the next 7 years ng 58,000 pesos also, pero 7 years lang, but at the end, okay, on the 20th year, we can also receive 1.1 million pesos. What can we, kumbaga, ano ba mas maganda doon? Di ba? Makatipid ka pa doon sa 7 years lang, right? So, yun yung pinakamaganda about Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. It actually serves as a long-term care designed for our healthcare. Okay? So, hindi talaga siya intended para kunin mo agad after 20 years. It is designed for your healthcare. Para pagtanda natin, meron tayong gagamitin. Okay? So, I just want to add for the 20th year, okay, there are two options. Ano yung two options na yan? It's either going to take all the benefits you have or 50% of it, okay? Pwede mo makuha yung 50% and then 50% will be your fund para sa iyong healthcare. O, diba? Napakaganda. Okay? So, yan. And then number 3, protecting our wealth. So, after protecting your family and protecting your health, ano ang susunod? Protecting your wealth. Syempre, no? Kailangan protektahan mo kung ano yung naimpundar mo. Kasi ang hirap naman na hindi mo ipupundara. Kumbaga, hindi mo proteksyonan yung mga napundar mo, baka mapunta pa sa iba. Right? How can we do it? By protecting your assets such as property insurance, business insurance, and preserving your wealth by estate planning. Leaving a legacy, hassle-free transfer of your estate to your children. And of course, protecting and preserving wealth by building a solid financial foundation. Okay? So so we really need to build a solid financial foundation to be wealthy and stay wealthy. So ito yung talaga sinusunod natin. Okay? From healthcare, life insurance, paying off your debt, emergency fund, and then there's investment. Okay? So kumbaga there's a guideline, hindi pala siya yung inuuna yung investment. Okay? It's good to have investment. However, paano kung ang dami mo palang emergency na kailangan sagutin? Diba? Anong gagawin mo sa investment? Siyempre, you're going to pull them out. Diba? Kasi may emergency ka. Or paano nalaman kung maraming utang? Right? So there is a guideline how to build our solid financial foundation. There's no such thing as get rich quick scheme. Building wealth is a process. Okay, uulitin ko, building wealth is a process. It requires long-term diligence, patience, and understanding. Okay? Mahabang proseso po yan. Okay? So kung makikita natin dito, yung building wealth. How can we build our wealth? Okay? And then, emergency fund para maiwasan talaga natin yung mai-withdraw ang ating investment. Okay? Kailangan meron talaga tayong emergency fund. Like how much? 3 to 6 months of our salary at least. Okay? Paying off your debt, that bad debt will make your investment and income useless. So it's hard to build wealth. Diba? Kumbaga, yan, nasisira na yung finances kung meron tayong mga existing na utang. Okay? And the life insurance, of course, for income protection and healthcare for protecting our health and wealth. Diba? So one major sickness lang yan eh. So kumbaga anumang mangyari, diba? Kung meron ka mang healthcare, at least may magagamit ka. Okay? So the biggest challenge here is how to increase our cash flow. Diba? So alam na natin lahat ito kung paano natin gamitin, kung paano natin i-build. However, if you don't have enough cash flow, or sabihin na natin talagang extra cash flow, everything will be useless. Diba? So kailangan meron pala tayong enough cash flow for us to build our solid financial foundation. Okay? So kailangan, if your cash flow is not enough, everything will be useless. So back to X-Curve, ang ating life story. The faster you increase your wealth line, the faster you reduce your responsibility line, mas mapapabilis natin ang ating financial freedom. Okay? So, kailangan malaman natin how to increase our money line fast. So, syempre ngayon, napag-usapan na natin ang ating mga different concepts on how to build our solid financial foundation. So, what will be the next? So, of course, IMG is here para mas ma-apply natin yung ating natutunan. That is why IMG solution to help us increase our wealth line fast. Okay? By having number 1, financial solution. Number 2, business solution. Number 3, having community support. At number 4, benefits platform. Okay? That's up number 1. Siyempre, yung natutunan natin ngayong gabi, ano bang pwede natin gawin? Kailangan i-execute na natin yan. I-apply natin yan. So, earn from the products we buy. So, invest to increase the wealth line fast. Yan. From healthcare, life insurance, investment, real estate, general insurance, and allied services, we have that. It's one-stop shop. But you can, hindi mo na kailangan hanapin pa sa iba. Okay? If you want to be wealthy, do not let other people do it for you. DIY yan. Gawin mo para sa sarili mo. Do it yourself. Okay? And number 2, yun ang pinakamaganda, we have business solution. Why? Siyempre, yung, kung ano man yung napag-aralan mo, why not we share it to somebody? We share it to our family. Diba? We share it to the people we love. Yeah. So, own a business in the financial industry as well. So, from this, we can also earn additional income. Diba? At mas mapadagdag pa natin sa ating wealth. Right? Para mas mapabilis natin ang ating wealth line. Number 3, community support. Siyempre, napaka-importante to have a very good community. Bakit? Isipin na lang natin. Okay? Nasa community ka pa rin ng madaming bisyo, community ng kung ano-ano pinagbibili, di ba? So, isipin na lang natin, doon ka pa rin sa community na yun. Doon ka pa rin sa mindset na yun. Sa tingin mo ba, makakapunta ka ba sa financial freedom? Siyempre, hindi. Ang goal natin yung financial freedom eh. Right? So, of course, be with a community who inspires and supports you. When the member of community invest, save, and build up assets, gagawin mo din yan. You will also do the same thing. Okay? So, where there is no guidance, the people fall, but in abundance of counselors, there is safety. Diba? So, yung pinaka-importante, you must have the right community. That is why IMG is here for you para matulungan ka din. Diba? Magtutulong-tulungan tayo dito on how to have financial freedom. Okay? And that is why we have the membership benefits platform. Yan. So, dati po, 10 lang yung 2016. When I was when I joined 2018, 30 lang yan or 28. Ngayon, it's already 60 plus na. Okay? So, IMG is the first DIY and members benefits platform in the financial industry. Yan. So, by having this number 1, become a saver and investor. As a new member, you will instantly have 1,000 pesos from the membership you have. Yan, yung PDF savings natin. Nandoon na. Okay, so meron ka na doong super PDF. Okay, you can also convert that to Soldivo Fund through Ramber Financials kung gusto mo naman siyang ilagay sa iyong mutual fund account. Okay, so start maximizing your savings today. 0% entry fee, ayan, of having mutual funds. Yan, pinakamaganda. Bakit? Kasi sa itong mga mutual fund companies na nakikita natin ngayon, you can also invest there directly. However, kailangan mo pa magbayad ng sinasabi natin entry fee. Okay? Kumbaga, magbabayad ka muna para at least ma-process nila yung investment, yung portfolio, okay? Yung account mo. Alright? Pero pag naging IMG member ka, you don't have to pay for that. Okay? You don't have to pay 0% entry fee. Kumbaga, halimbawa, 10,000 ang gusto mong invest, buong 10,000, walang bawas, that will be in your investment account. Okay? So, disclaimer lang, IMG does not sell mutual funds. All mutual funds are sold by Ramper Financials. Take note, itong mutual funds is tax-free pa. Okay? Yun ang pinakamaganda, tax-free yan. Okay? Yan, kung gusto mo naman medyo advanced, direct investment in stocks listed and traded on the Philippine Stocks Exchange. Yan, dito po yan sa mga yan. Sa MyTrade and UTrade. Kaiser, yan, healthcare product services natin by having the long-term care and short-term care. Life insurance products exclusive to IMG members. Yan po yung sinasabi natin. Most 18, Most GRP, the Income Replacement Assurance, and Everest Memorial Solution. IMG Legal Assistance Program. Yan, yung free legal consultation of 45 minutes per session for 2 years per year and exclusive members rate for other legal services. And traveling the world, yan. Meron conventions, vacations, and cruise. Pwede po yan dito sa IMG. Okay, we also have that in upcoming March. Okay, ayan, ito po, meron tayong upcoming event this March. Yeah. And pinakamaganda dyan, if you are an OFW, we have the worldwide protection. Of course, by having exclusive benefit number 4, that's accidental death benefit, 500,000, burial benefit na 100,000, accidental medical reimbursement benefit na 100,000, acts of terrorism na 600,000, unprovoked murder and assault na 600,000, and accidental disablement benefit na nakasama po yan dito po sa ating, yan, ito. From our, ito, makikita natin, indemnity and then the benefit, meron po yung kaakibat na amount. With additional feature of repatriation service. Okay? Alright, 50,000 life insurance from Fidelity Life. Yan. So, kasama na po yung micro-insurance na yan. Up to 300,000 free personal accident insurance sa mga IMG campaigners. Yan, from 100,000 hanggang 300,000 pesos. Vision Care, yan, libreng Kaiser and IMG frames, okay? Kung matatanungin po, may mga libreng frames na po yan. Bibili ka na lang ng lente, okay? So with multi-coated lens purchase, maximum of 2 pairs per year, okay? From De Los Reyes Optical and Kaiser Medical Center. Yan, kung gusto mo pang malaman ng iba pang benefits, kindly approach the person who invited you para ma-fill upan mo itong mga to para at least guided tayo kung ano ang mga gusto mo pang malaman about IMG. Okay? So make sure to see the person who invited you and discover how to take full advantage of the 64 benefits for IMG members and how to get started. So paano nga ba magsimula? Ayan, alamin natin. So join and own. Okay? Dalawang steps lang po yan. Join and own. How to join? International, 10,000 pesos po yan. Okay, with a yearly renewal of 1,500 pesos para makontinue natin to avail the 4 solutions. Okay, so nire-renew natin ating partnership. But still, you are a member. Okay? Number 2, start to build a solid financial foundation. Start with Kaiser Long-Term Care para mas secure mo talaga yung financial foundation mo. And then after that, proceed na tayo sa other parts. Yan. So maganda yan na talaga sinisimulan natin ating financial foundation. And then after join on, you can start doing IMG business. Yan. What's the risk? None. Nothing to lose. Wala pong mawawala. Okay? You just join and own. So knowledge is power. I think, yes, importante rin naman magkaroon tayo ng knowledge. However, if we're not going to apply what we have learned today, then nothing will change. The words may inspire, but only action creates change. No one ever became wealthy by just studying how to be wealthy, okay? So, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Sa hakbang. Sa hakbang lang para sa pangarap natin, para matupad talaga yan. Okay? And the details of your path will only be clearer once you start acting. So, build your future, secure your future, take action now. Marami tayong mga excuses not to make more money, or hindi tayo makapag-invest, hindi tayo makapag-save. But no matter our excuse is, isa lang po yung sure. Isa lang talaga ang sure dyan. We're going to get old next year. Yes, we're going to get old next year. Sure. Alright, so lahat, diba? Even your children, if you have family, your children, your parents will also grow old. They will grow up. And kailangan mo rin i-provide yung kung anong pangangailangan nila. Even you will eventually retire. Kailangan mo rin mag-provide ng healthcare and retirement para sa sarili mo. So you are the solution to your future. Okay? So if you're born poor, hindi mo naman kasalanan yan. Di ba? Hindi rin naman kasalanan ng mga magulang natin because they haven't known financial literacy yet. Okay? So, but if we die poor, it's already our mistake. Because we didn't apply what we have learned. Okay? So sabi yan ni Bill Gates. Yan. So ano nga ba susunod natin hakbang? That is investing in yourself because it's only you who can give yourself what you want. Ikaw lamang po makakapagbigay kung ano gusto mo sa sarili mo. Alright, so the best investment? Investing in yourself. So learn from this survey class card. Okay, kasi napakadami po ng ating mga masasabi natin mga topics na kailangan pa natin malaman. Okay, marami pa pong topics na hindi ni-discuss tayo dito sa IMG because financial education is the key para talaga hindi tayo mawawala. Okay? Hindi, kumbaga, ang edukasyon naman hindi naman nawawala sa atin yan. Alright? Okay, so yan. So, of course, nakapagsimula na tayo dito and then, yan, yun ang pinakamaganda. Your next step will be your financial checkup and the right investment diversification strategy. Ayan, so I hope marami tayo natutunan at marami tayo napulot ngayong gabing ito. And I hope we learned something. And pinakamaganda dyan kung ikaw man ay hindi pa nakakapagsimula ngayon. Okay? It's already, ayan, kumbaga, kailangan i-start na natin ang ating year, di ba? With a strong mindset and at the same time, yung pinakamaganda doon ay talagang mas mabago natin buhay natin for this year. Alright? So I hope you learned something and yung maganda dyan talagang simulan na natin ang ating mga plans. Alright? Yun lang po, maraming salamat. Again, this is Luis Anton Antonio and I'm proud to be part of International Marketing Group. Thank you so much guys and see you on our next one. Bye!